time for just human consciousness. We will talk about memory and perception. Memory is the bedrock of human consciousness. Perception belongs to another more fleeting dimension. Dreams are the perfect example of their separation. Within dream, we lack clear self-awareness and we cannot recall. The dream self only reacts spontaneously to sensory impulses. This is no timeline in our dream, no continuity, no true subject. Everything is happening, yet no one is experiencing. When time appears, intelligence awakens. Things are entirely different. Memory allows us to look back on the past and construct models for what lies ahead. This ability to project the future from recollection is the foundation of intelligence itself. Dreams lack wisdom and self-awareness because they lack time, no past to remember, no future to anticipate. Therefore, perception, memory, and the capacity to model the future interact as the three core factors to form the architecture of the human mind. Let's talk about infant. An infant's world resembles a dream. At that time, baby only has too few memories and no projection of the future. There is no stable self-awareness, only raw perception and spontaneous response. Without the birth of time, there can be no layered, recursive, or evolving structure that gives rise to what we call the self. What truly brings us the self is memory. Memory lets us review the past and stimulate the future. Only then does time exist in our mind, and only then does the I emerge. From a physical perspective, humans are merely machines reacting and choosing based on stored memory. We believe we possess free will, but what we call choice is actually the inevitable result of neurochemistry and history running their ancient algorithm. Emotion is chemistry. Judgment is pattern. Will is just the energy cycling through the architecture of memory plus randomness. The self is not a being. It is a field of perception. It observes the flow of memory, the birth of thought, the tides of emotion. Self-awareness, personality, even choice are not origins, but byproducts of this biochemical progress. So we have neither true choice nor true freedom. We are time machines of the cosmos, calculating future illusions from the trace of the past. However, if you really think we don't have free will, we have a paradox here. Within this great illusion, consciousness creates meaning. Even if free will does not exist, the moment you realize you have none, something extraordinary happens. Awareness itself awakens in a higher kind of freedom, not freedom from casualty, but freedom within it. So, the new way to define the freedom is the ability to see the code, to rewrite the parameters, to dance with the machinery of life.